Brasilia owns and operates a fashion line. She sources her textiles from Brazil, has her clothing manufactured in China, and designs and sells her fashion products from the United States. Unfortunately, Brasilia is struggling to manage her fashion line as she faces constant issues with unfavorable sourcing, unethical manufacturing, unreliable distribution, and inefficient customer relationship management. This requires a high level of trust, transparency, and trackability throughout her supply chain. SupplyBloc can help Brasilia bring transparency and trackability to her fashion line by providing the power of blockchain technology to manage and optimize her global supply chain network. Using SupplyBloc's decentralized ledger, smart contracts, and the SUPX token, Brasilia can ensure that her fashion products are ecologically sourced, ethically manufactured, reliably shipped, and efficiently purchased. Brasilia can easily track the entire lifecycle of all of her fashion products using the SupplyBloc platform. And using SupplyBloc's development tools, she can create custom apps that help her easily interact with her customers and other supply chain participants. Now, Brasilia is able to expand her fashion business, build trust around her brand, and have a completely transparent understanding of her supply chain. SupplyBloc, bringing unparalleled transparency and trackability to product lifecycles through blockchain technology.